because I heard all the comics go out for a drink. I could really go for a Sprite right now. I've had a rough day. In school, I got moved to red. Darn teachers. So when my dad told me I was going here on Tuesday, he said, "You gotta be clean." I'm 11. Clean is all I know. To me, a 4-letter word is a word with 4 letters. I got my mom and dad to give me a Kindle Fire so I could read more. It just so happens that recently they found out that Angry Birds is not a book. And they forced me to go to the library and get a book. And for a lot of you, that's a good thing, but for me, it's torture. It's Arnold Schwarzenegger lobbing a boredom bomb. It's undefusable words of boredom. As you can tell, reading is not my favorite subject. When someone asks me what my favorite subject is, I say recess. And they think it's a joke, but you can learn a lot in recess. We play this game called Infection. It's pretty much tag, but whenever you tag the person, they're at 2. This game tells you a lot about spreading diseases. You might as well call the game Pink Eye or Cooties. So now you know in class, don't get touched by anyone with pink eye or cooties and Ebola. So I got a whole bunch of fish, and then they all ate each other because I didn't feed them enough. I was trying to make an aquarium, but I guess I threw a Donner party. I was playing a video game with my dad, and this is what he said. "Back in my day, we didn't have all this fancy technology. This is what we did for our days. We went to school, we counted sticks. We got out of school, we went to a stick arcade and had stick coins, and then we played with joysticks of fun sticks. And then when we got home, hopped into our stick bed, and then we read Dr. Sticks. And of course the book rhymed because the only word in the book was sticks." Has anyone been to McDonald's recently? They changed the Happy Meal. When I was a kid, a Happy Meal used to be a meal, not a snack. How are 3 fries a serving size? Ba-ba-ba-ba, I'm still hungry. We had a power outage in our neighborhood, and my dad called Duke Energy, and he said it was just a bad transformer. Bad transformer? He was taking it so calmly. For me, it was like, bad transformer, Decepticons. Well, if you enjoyed my set, follow me on Facebook in 2 years when I can get an account.